Hey guys, let's continue our series on Python tutorial for beginners. And today I'm going to talk about some of the relational operators and their usage in if loop and if else loop and nested if else loop. So let's get started. So first I'm trying to declare some variables here like num1 equals 10, num2 equals 20, and now if loop, if num1 is greater than num2, this will do some. I will give you the explanation at the end of the program. This will print num1 is greater and else num2 is greater. And just save your program and run it. It giving the correct output num2 is greater, and we can also see that 10 is lesser than 20, so num2 is greater. So here what we have done is the syntax of if else loop is like this only. In Python you are not allowed to create the opening curly bracket and closing curly bracket. It will give error. I will show you. It's invalid syntax. So what you have to do, you just have to put colon at the end of the if loop. While you hit the enter, it will automatically, the cursor will move in the next line and provide you four white space, or I can say one tab space. This means that it's under if loop, and if you remove the four white spaces, it will come outside the loop, and then I have write the else condition, else. Similarly it goes for else too. So this is the general if else program. So there are multiple relational operators like double equal to, less than equal to, greater than equal to, greater than, smaller than, and not equals to. These are some of our relational operator. So I can use the greater than equals to relational operator like num1 is greater than equals to num2, and if this condition is true, it will print num1 is greater than equal to num2, else num2 is greater. Here I have to make some changes. I will convert it to 20, and now let's check the output here, and the output is num1 is greater than or equal to num2. This condition is not true. Like if we write 10, then it will again show us the output num2 is greater. Even if we take the number more than 20, 25 for example, and then we run our program, it is again going to show num1 is greater and equals to num2. Now for nested if else statement, what we can do is let's take another example in which I'm taking amount equals 10,000, num1 equals 10, num2 equals 20. If num1 is greater than num2, let's use num1 is less than num2, and if amount is greater than 5,000, print nested if else loop. Then you have to click enter and come out of the inner loop, and then you have to come out the another if loop and should print else print num2 is greater, or you can print anything. You can also use the if else statement with the inner if else. I will just print the statement inner else statement, inner else statement. So just run your program and it's running it, and we get the output. So it goes like if num1 is less than num2, we can see that num1 is less than num2, num1 is 10 and num2 is 20, and now this condition is true. It will go inside the loop and check the another statement here. If the amount is greater than 5000, as we can see the amount is greater than 5000, it will print the statement and comes out from all the loops. If the statement is not correct here, like if we have amount 2000 or 200 or anything but less than 5000, what it will be printing is inner else statement. Now if the outer loop condition is false, like we use 30, it's not logically, it's not correct. If num2 is greater, I would have written num1 is greater. I will correct it. But if the outer loop condition is not true, it will not go inside the inner loop. As you can see, it will be going to the else loop because the condition is false in the if loop. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more